Good morning, boys and girls. Today, we'll be learning how to write a heading for our papers. Whether we're writing in a journal or we're just writing on a piece of paper, we should always have a heading for our paper. Now, we might remember from kindergarten that we always write our name on our paper. In first grade, that will be extended. We're not just writing our first name, we're also writing our last name. We also write a date on our paper. We remember that from kindergarten. But we will also be writing the teacher's name and the topic or subject in which we're writing about. So let's go ahead and get started. As you see, you should have your writing journal. It's called a primary journal, but this is your writing journal. We'll do most of our writing in this particular notebook. So go ahead and grab your journal. You can go ahead and put your name down here. If you have a Sharpie, you can go ahead and put your name down at the bottom of the book. And then you will open your book up to the first page. Alrighty, so on our first page, you see we have a space for drawing, and then we have a space for writing our sentences. So our heading will have to go up top here. Now, another thing that will happen in first grade is you will have to learn how to write smaller. Because we can't write big, we're learning how to write smaller in first grade. I have, this is just a piece of cardboard, a sentence strip, if you will. If you have a ruler or even just a plain piece of paper that you can take, even as you see, this is from your cut and paste. And if you can take the end that's not been cut, you can use that as well. But what you want to do is give yourself a straight edge at the top of your paper. You see, you give yourself a little bit of space at the top. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write your name. So your name, your first, and last name. And I'm using my ruler to try to keep my writing, straight. So I won't go up or down. Do my best. I'm doing all this with one hand, so I apologize if it's not perfect. Alrighty, so first you write your first and your last name. Then you have to write the date. And we'll abbreviate writing the date by using the month, the day, and the year. So we're in a month of September. Does anybody remember what number month is September? If you said 9, that is correct. Today is the 14th. And we are in the year of 2020. So we just put 20. And so that's the first part of my heading. Now I'm going to move my sentence strip down, ruler, paper down a little bit. And now I want to write the teacher's name. So you will write Mrs. Jackson. And then on the other side, our topic is a book report. Alrighty, so that's our heading. And this is again what we do for all subjects anytime we're writing a paper. We have our first and last name. We have our date. We have the teacher's name, Mrs. Jackson. And then we have the topic. For this one, we're writing book report because that's what we'll be doing is the book report. Please go ahead and do your topics, do your heading now. Take a picture and send it to me so I can see how well you did. The hard part I know is going to be writing small because we have to get all of this on the one line. All right, good luck, boys and girls.